This seller made $28K in total revenue using a paid platform like MidJourney to create their designs. But what if I told you there's a way to achieve even better results with completely free alternative? In today's video, I'll reveal how to make trending cocktail clip art designs that are ranking in massive revenue on Etsy, all using a simple prompt. Plus, I'll share a revenue boosting tips using a print-on-demand service like Printify and provide access to 100 prompts to start this similar business. So to create this type of clip art designs, many turn to MidJourney, known for its excellent image generation. However, since we are not in profit yet, I'll introduce you to two free MidJourney alternatives that generate stunning designs. But before we dive into creating these designs, it's crucial to understand whether the design is still profitable on Etsy. Also identify the most popular design style currently used for these designs and discover strategy to double our revenue and outshine the competition. While browsing through the search result on Etsy, it's clear that many of these cocktail designs had a bestseller tag, indicating high demand for this product. Curious to dig deeper, I click on one of the listings to analyze it further. The first thing I noticed was that it had been purchased within the last 24 hours. By sorting the reviews to most recent, I confirmed that this product consistently generates daily sales. Now, paying attention to the name area, it became evident that these designs were created in watercolor style. This means that to achieve similar success, our design should also be in watercolor style. According to Alura, these particular designs are generated $28K in total revenue for this seller, breaking over 190 monthly sales. So if you're still doubting whether this will work for you, let me clear your doubt. Sandra started her Etsy store just a year ago with only 38 listings. Now, using Alura to sort her listing by best performing product, you notice that her cocktail design is the one bringing the most sales. So while you may still be hesitant, others are putting in the effort and making it work for them. One of the best things about selling clip art designs is that you can easily turn them into physical products, allowing you to increase your prices and profit margin compared to digital products that typically have lower margin. By incorporating a print-on-demand strategy, you can streamline the entire process without the hassle of managing inventory. A great platform for this is Printify, which offers hundreds of white-label products that you can effortlessly customize with your designs. Plus, Printify's seamless integration with platforms like Etsy, making it incredibly easy to design your product directly on Printify and have it automatically listed on your shop. What's even more exciting is Printify's new AI model, which takes the guesswork out of creating the perfect title, description, or tag. Those provide a brief description of your product, and Printify AI will analyze top-selling products in your niche to generate optimized title, description, and tag that will help your product rank higher on Etsy. With Printify global network of print providers, you can count on fast production, reliable delivery to your customers. Click the link in the description to get started and stick around because I'll walk you through the setup process later in the video. The first AI platform I'll be using to create these designs is Ideogram AI, which produces high-quality images similar to MidJourney. After creating an account, you'll receive 10 free tokens to use daily. Now, to generate these designs, I'll enter a simple prompt like this in a white background, which is a customization, then the subject, and finally the style. By using version 2.0, setting the generation style to design and keeping the aspect ratio to 1:1, I'll get a clean, simple result like this. Next, I'll use the same prompt with the second platform, Kido AI. One of its art style even includes clip art, making it a great fit. After creating a new project, I selected the AI tool and pasted my prompt. I removed the customization part since it's not necessary when you have the watercolor clip art style. After generating, here is the result I got from Kido AI. Now, putting both results side by side, which one grabbed your attention? And to help you dive right into this business, I've crafted 100 more prompts you can use to generate similar designs. The link will be in the description, and special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. After exporting my design, I immediately moved them to Let Enhance to make the image quality as clean as possible. Once that is done, I compile all my design into a Google Drive folder and create a PDF with a download link that will drive my audience to the designs. I also include a link in the description to a step-by-step video guide on how to do this. Now, if I want to make my design prints ready, I move them to Printify. Before getting started, I make sure my Etsy account is connected. Next, I head to the catalog section to choose the white label product I need. After selecting the product, I make sure to pick the one labeled as the bestseller, then click Start Designing to begin customization. After uploading my designs, I duplicate it so it will appear on both sides. Once that is done, I click Save. but we are not finished yet. We still need to fill in the product information before publishing it on Etsy. The fastest and most efficient way to do this is by clicking on the AI option. Just provide a few details about your design and it will generate a ready-to-use title, description and tag for you. After that, you can adjust your pricing, but be careful to not set it too low or too high. Once you have confirmed everything, click publish, and finally you have a physical product to sell on Etsy. I hope this video inspired you on how to start digital and print-on-demand business. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.